Cowboys, Cowboys, Cowboys. Man, what are y'all going to do? It's an official rebuild. You need everything in this draft, and I mean everything. Well, besides secondary. You bring back Gilmore, secondary already showed up. You need another linebacker, possibly two. Yeah. You need a left tackle, unless you're going to kick Tyler. Unless you're going to kick Tyler to left tackle and put TJ Bass at left guard, you still need to draft. But the good thing is the draft is deep in every position that we need. And maybe this is the reason why they're letting people go also. 2025, you officially have 6 comp picks now. Are you going to use some of those comp picks to try to get what you need in this draft? Like me and my cousin Corey talked not too long ago. You might have to reach for somebody. What are y'all going to do? Man, well, what you gonna do? Man, it's Heavy Chevy. Peace.